Alright, we're getting ready to go to the woods. We got some big popples and cedar we gotta go cut. This is nice. This here baby will cut anything down. She's been used. So that's the first one you started out with, huh?
Yeah.
Daddy put you on the end of that today?
Got that when I was 10 years old.
10 years old. Will it run?
Well, I wore her out now.
Geez, she's heavy for a little thing. You have to put a fucking 40-inch bar on her. I think she'll turn and chain.
That's where it comes from. Up in D.C. they used to fall them big trees.
Yes, sir. That's his first power saw when he went to the woods, boys. They said he could cut a truckload with that a day. What do you think? I think somebody's filling me full of shit.